upbeat music playing in the background. Welcome back to another electrifying episode where we help you avoid the shocking experience of buying the wrong product. Today, we're diving into the world of UPS batteries. Yes, you heard it right, batteries. Because who needs a power outage when you can have a power in? In the left corner, weighing in at a shocking price of $55, we have the UPSBatteryCenter RBC 154. It's compatible with APC UPS models like BE600M1 and BN650M1. And in the right corner, the heavyweight champion of the UPS world, the SafeAMP UPS 9A battery replacement with a price tag of $75. This baby can power up models like BR1500G and BX1500M. The RBC 154 is compatible with specific models like BE600M1 and BN650M1, which some users appreciate for its reliability. Reviewers have noted that it fits perfectly into their UPS units, with several 5-star ratings praising its performance. However, there are some mentions of minor fit issues, with terminals being slightly too tall. On the other hand, the SafeAMP battery is compatible with a wider range of models, making it a more versatile option. Reviewers have highlighted its ease of installation and reliability, with many satisfied customers reporting long-lasting performance. So if you're looking for a battery that brings the party, SafeAMP takes the cake. When it comes to performance, the RBC 154 is solid but has been described as a one-hit wonder, good but not remarkable. Users have reported that it maintains power for their UPS systems effectively. In contrast, the SafeAMP boasts a powerful 9Ah capacity, which reviewers say gives it an edge in performance, allowing for extended power during outages. Users have praised it for being a reliable option for keeping their devices up and running, especially during longer outages. It's like a double espresso shot for your UPS system. Now, let's talk about the price. RBC 154 comes in at a wallet-friendly $55, making it a budget-friendly option for those who want to save money. Many users appreciate the reasonable pricing and value for money, especially for its compatibility with specific models. In contrast, SafeAMP is priced at $75, which some users find a bit steep, but worth the investment for the performance and reliability it offers. Overall, RBC 154 takes the price round, but if you're after performance, sometimes you gotta splurge. Finally, we're diving into quality. The RBC 154 has received mixed reviews regarding its overall quality. While many users report satisfaction with its fit and functionality, a few have pointed out issues with the battery's longevity after a move. SafeAMP, however, is praised for its high-quality construction and certification, assuring users of its reliability. Reviewers have noted that it effectively restores UPS performance to original specifications, making it a preferred choice for quality-conscious buyers. SafeAMP definitely gets the stamp of approval from the battery gods. Overall, the reviews for both products highlight their strengths and weaknesses. The RBC 154 is appreciated for its affordability and specific compatibility, while the SafeAMP battery is favored for its versatility, performance, and quality. Users have generally had positive experiences with both, but SafeAMP seems to stand out in terms of reliability and power. So there you have it, folks. In this electrifying showdown, the SafeAMP UPS 9A battery replacement takes the crown with its compatibility, performance, and quality. But don't count out the RBC 154 if you're on a budget. it's still a solid choice for those with specific needs. Remember, when it comes to purchasing decisions, always buy smart. If you liked this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next electrifying episode. Until next time, stay charged and keep those devices powered up. Product links are in the description.